Let's see how to unlock your iPhone's screen. So if you have forgotten your screen password, so we have a software to unlock that. So let's see how to do it. So it is Tenacious for you key screen password unlocker. So it removes your 4-digit or 6-digit password, touch ID or whatever it has. So it easily removes it with just a few clicks. So click on install button, click on download button to get the software. So start installation, click yes if prompted, click install. So this will take a while. Now this software has got so many functionalities that it can unlock your disabled iPhone also if you have forgotten your iPhone's password. So it will just in a few clicks it will just get it your iPhone to working state without losing your any of your data, you know. So it is a quick solution that is present there. So since it is now completing installation, let's click on start. Okay, so it will download a few drivers or like firmware packages it needs to, you know, communicate with the iPhone. So okay, so now that is downloaded. So here we have to choose whether we have to unlock Apple ID or a screen password. So we have to unlock a screen in this tutorial. So I'll just choose unlock screen password. So click on start. Okay, now we have connected iPhone 7 so with our computer. So it will automatically detect and show which device we have connected. I'll just show you how my iPhone is connected to computer using cord. So you just have to plug that wire in some USB port and that's it. So in the next step we need to get our firmware drivers. So it'll automatically show which firmware we have to download. So I've got the setup with me. So you can just, if you don't know, you just copy it and just get it from the browser. So what I'll do is I'll select it from the location. Okay, so this is the firmware package we have to do. So just click on start unlock. Okay, it's not going to wipe out any of your data, so don't worry about that. You're not going to lose any data, any photos, anything. You're not going to lose that. So just wait for a while till it completes the process. It is currently verifying and analyzing the firmware package if it's compatible with your device. Okay. It's almost done. So now it is removing the passcode. Please keep your device connected and do not use the device during the process. Okay. Estimated time is 6 minutes. Cool, but it is faster than it is showing it. So we'll just wait for a while. It's almost done. The passcode has been removed successfully. So that is it, and that was pretty easy. It was just a few clicks and we unlocked our iPhone. So I'm putting a link in the description below, so just help yourself.